Hey guys, it's Ben again, here to bring another video, and this one's going to be looking at collecting arrows. Okay, so collecting arrows is actually a really important one, and it's where a lot of people can make some very simple mistakes, which unfortunately can lead to some problems. So let's begin. So after we've shot our arrows, let's say there's 5 or 6, we're going down range. And remember, this video is mostly looking at our beginners and novices, but this is a really good habit to form when we're on the archery range. Clearly things are a bit different when we're looking at archery, perhaps when we're using that as hunting or whatever it might be. But in this specific sort of example, we're looking at how we're collecting arrows in a target range environment. Alrighty, so obviously arrows, depending on the type of ground that we've got and whether we're looking at a hard ground or if it's been raining recently, that kind of thing, and sometimes arrows can get embedded into the ground. So it's very important that we keep a good eye on where our arrows are falling, and that way we know where we're looking for, and also make sure you know how many arrows you've shot. So this doesn't leave any nasty surprises. Particularly useful when we're talking about clubs and schools and those kind of things where we're using communal areas, and we don't want to be leaving arrows around for other people to find at an inappropriate time or circumstance, because that's obviously dangerous, and that's partially our fault. Obviously, as we've already covered in different videos, arrows can be made, or the arrow shaft can be made from different types of materials, and that can have a bearing on the vulnerability of it. So things like carbon fibre and aluminium arrows can sometimes split apart depending on impact. Wooden arrows particularly. So if a wooden arrow has not hit the target, but has, for example, hit a rock or something like that, then they're quite prone to shattering because they don't absorb energy in the same way that other materials do. When we're going to pick up our arrows, try and pick them up by the end as opposed to the point. So if that's in the ground, so our arrow's fallen down just here, I'm just simply going to reach down and grab it by the rear. If that's gone into the ground at an angle, and still just pulling gently from the rear, but move your hand down towards the ground and just pull gently, as opposed to pulling in a circular motion. Pull as straight as you can. When we're removing arrows from a target face, again, use an open hand as close to the target as you can, and slowly rotate and twist the arrow so it comes out nice and gently and doesn't break off. What we'll find with some of the carbon fibre and aluminium shaft arrows is that they can splinter and they can be exceedingly painful if you were to cut yourself. Another really good option that I found recently are these arrow pullers. They are simply a rubber thing. You buy them from off eBay or online. They cost about $4 or $5 each, delivered, so that's pretty hectically awesome. And then it helps you to withdraw the arrow in a nice straight way so that we're not going to break the shaft. Alrighty, thank you. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We'll be building this channel approximately 1 or 2 videos every day, so hopefully achieving as many as 10 videos a week that we'll be publishing up on YouTube. We will soon be covering all types of topics across the whole medieval period, from weapons to religion to culture to dress. We're going to look at different societies and cultures and what made them succeed whilst others failed. I'm looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Please leave a comment below, or you can message me direct through YouTube. Please feel free to share this video on your favourite social media platform, whether that be Twitter, Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe, as it helps us to build our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.